Sassy Crafting Mama presents Ornament Wreath, Gold and Silver. Okay, friends, hubby purchased this from a.c.moore previously for another project for myself. This is the wreath I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I gave it a quick coat of paint. The ornaments you see is all from the Dollar Tree. You will also need for this project your hot glue gun, a pair of scissors, ribbon of your choice, and some wire cutters or nippers. I am designing this ornament wreath different from the red and silver wreath. I place the wreath right side up and I'm taking the Christmas ornaments, I'm gluing around the top, and then I'm placing them in between the first and second ring. I decided to do this one just a little bit different from the red and silver wreath. So as you can see, I'm doing this wreath a little bit different, and I will be fast forwarding through the clips. You just go around your wreath, adding your ornaments as you see fit. If there's a space, you can take the smaller ornaments and place them so you cannot see the wreath itself. And make sure when you put your ornaments down, you're gluing them to the wreath and you're gluing them to each other. Well, friends, as you can see, I'm just going around the wreath. I'm filling in using my smaller ornaments so to hide the wreath itself. And here is the finished project. I may add to it, but right as of now, it's finished. What do you think? It does look a little bit different from the red and silver because I did not put the ornaments on the inside. I started on the outside of the wreath. Hi everybody, so I got the wreath all finished. For now, I think I might add to it, but so far this is the finished project. And I got these little signs here from the dollar store, and I believe they come four for $1. So all I did was take this, and I have a little hook here. I hooked it in case I want to change it up, and just hung it down. And now I have a pretty little wreath, and in the middle it says Merry Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.